Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see our second chapter, sets, introduction and some basic concepts. And in our next video we will solve the problems. And here our second chapter is sets. Yes, set means it's a common word. You may listen, right? Set of books, set of clothes, and this set is mine, like that. You may listen the word set, right? So now we will see what is set and how we will define the set. And when you arrange your books in your bag, how you will arrange? All notebooks are in one rack, right? In one rack or at one place, and all your textbooks are at one place, and all your pens are in your geometry box, like this, right? That means all the things which are common quality, that means these are all are notebooks, and these all are textbooks, and the pens which are used to write, right? And in your home also, when you are arranging your clothes, how you will arrange your clothes? Yes, you will arrange your clothes, just shirts are in one particular place, and all trousers are one at particular place. If girls are there, and their scarves and dupattas are at one particular place without any confusion, we'll arrange the clothes like that, right? That means here also all the things which have common property are at one place. Just for our convenience, we are arranging like that, right? So if I wrote 2, 4, 6, 8, all these numbers have one common rule. These all are even numbers, right? These all are even numbers. So they may call as set. Okay, so I can define set as a collection of things that have something in common or follow a rule. What is set? Collection of things that have something in common or follow a rule is called set. And the things in the set are called elements. What are the things in the set are called? Elements. And we represent these elements in this bracket, and we separated by elements by a comma. These brackets are called flower brackets or curl brackets. Curl brackets or flower brackets. Compulsory, you have to write in this bracket only. If you write 2, 4, 6, 8 in this normal bracket, this is not a set. Okay, if you represent only this curl bracket, then only it is a set. So what is set? Set is a collection of things which have a common rule or follow a common rule, or follow a rule, which have something in common or follow a rule. And the things in the set are called elements, and they are separated by commas and put it in curl brackets. That is the definition of set. Okay, now we will see the rostered form of the set and set builder form. So here we have set of first 5 natural numbers. Set of first 5 natural numbers. If I have to write the set for this, first of all curl brackets, and we know the natural numbers are counting numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. First 5 natural numbers. This is set, right? So here we wrote the elements and we separated the elements by commas. This form is called the roster form. What is roster form? Writing a set by listing the elements in it. Okay? Writing a set by listing the elements in it is called roster form, or simply tabular form. roster form are also known as tabular form. Okay, and if a common property, what is the common property of this set? These all are natural numbers. Common property of this set, x is such that x belongs to n and x less than or equals to 5, right? So this is the common property of this set. Here these dots we can read as such that, and this symbol is belongs to. Yes, this belongs to came in your 8th class. When you learn about closure property, we write like this: if a comma b belongs to z, then if a plus b also belongs to z, then integers are closed under addition, right? So this belongs to means it contain, x belongs to n means x contain in n. Okay, x contain in n. Okay, this belongs to, and this common property I wrote, no, this form is called set builder form. What is this form? Set builder form. What is set builder form? If a common property or a rule is written, then it is called set builder form. Okay, if all the elements are listed, then it is roster form. If the common property of the set is wrote, then it is set builder form. Okay, in this video just we are seeing only definitions, and in our next video we will solve the problems.